I declare that this healing is working for the one listening. The pain in my frontal head, between my eyes and up through my forehead, is now leaving my 3D template. I speak it into existence. By the word of God, I stand authority. The pain is now leaving my body. The pain in my head, in my brain, is now leaving my 3D template. My nervous system is relaxing. My nervous system is now at peace. The headache is removed from my 3D template. The pain is now released from my 3D template. I am able to work perfectly. I am able to be awake. I am able to move without pain. I am free from the pain for the next 12 hours. I speak it into existence. By the word of God, I stand authority. The pain in my head has left my 3D template. The headache is gone. I speak it into existence. By the word of God, I stand authority.